Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer at Brazen Legal, where I help immigrants get legal status every day. Today's video is about something I posted on Instagram a couple months ago. It was about a case that I had, and I posted something to the effect of helping my client go from a 2-year green card to US citizenship in 4 months. And a lot of people were like, seriously, is this possible? Are you lying? How did you do it? So I wanted to make this video to explain what happened in that case and how I made it happen. So, my client originally hired me to help him remove the conditions on his 2-year green card. When you're getting a green card through marriage, if you've been married for less than 2 years at the time that they approve the application, then you're going to get a 2-year green card. And 90 days before that green card expires, you have to go back to immigration to remove the conditions on that green card. And you basically have to go through the same process again with a different form, but pretty much the same thing as far as proving to immigration that your marriage is real, you're still together, and you have a whole bunch of more evidence to show that your marriage is still valid and real and you're still living together. So that's what my client hired me to do. We filed the application packet, no problem. And because of a lot of the immigration delays that were happening, I told my client, you know what? Let's not even do the 10-year green card. Let's just go for citizenship instead. My client looked at me like I was crazy, but I said, trust me, I got you. So we filed the citizenship application in August of 2020. And a couple months later, my client got an interview notice for his citizenship test. So I prepped him for his citizenship interview. We went to the interview a couple days before Christmas. The immigration officer asked him all the citizenship questions and he passed the test. So, in addition to having my client's application approved on the spot, the immigration officer was also able to swear him in that same day. So that's how my client was able to go from having a 2-year green card to being sworn in as a US citizen a couple months later. And this is why I always say it's really important to work with an immigration lawyer if you have an immigration case, because immigration is not just about filling out the forms. We don't win cases for our clients because we know how to do data entry, because we know how to fill out a form. We win cases for our clients because we know the law. We know the loopholes that we can use so that we can make our clients' cases go faster. And in this case, I saved my client 5 years of having to wait 5 years to apply for citizenship. Instead of doing that, I was able to get him citizenship in 4 months instead. I hope you found this video very helpful and entertaining. If you have any questions, if you'd like to learn more about me, my law firm, how I help my clients get green cards every single day, visit brazenlegal.com. And if you haven't already, definitely be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram if you'd like to know a little bit more about what I'm doing when I'm not lawyering. Thanks for watching.